Morning. Can I get a flat white, oat milk, no sugar?
Did you know your voice sounds different at home?
How was the call?
Better than I thought. They want to meet again next week.
And it's not because of you, it's your air. Your voice changes depending on how the air moves around you. And indoor air moves way differently than the air outside. Indoors, the air is denser, drier, and full of tiny particles. And that changes the way your voice bounces around the room. That's why you sound clearer in some rooms, muffled in others, and downright weird in bathrooms. Overall, dirty air makes your voice sound worse. Cleaner air helps your voice sound clear too, because sound travels better in healthy air than dusty air.